Step 1 of solving Rubik's Cube. Find the center of the yellow and then make a daisy. If some is here and if some here, remove it and if there are any center pieces like this, it's fine. Next, you see there's an orange, so find the other orange and move this pieces to find it. When you see a match, you move the center 2 times. 1, 2. Anyway. And then you find the next one, the blue one. Try to find it like that. When you find it, 1, 2. Next one, red. Find the red one. Found it. 1, 2. Find the green one. Now it's fully like this.